That's right. Good evening, God's people, a people loved by the Lord. You know, we take a closer look, at what help might be, because when people want to help, they are skeptical about the fact that they could be encouraging a lazy person. Good evening once again, and welcome to another breathtaking, wonderful, spirit and knowledge-filled edition of Street Reports on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifan Shuku AKZ as I number the force. The one that I call Meta, my Jamu brothers. Yes, how are you doing this evening? As a wherever, where you are now, what's happening, what is happening, yeah. Yes, it's about that time when you and more get to cause social change in our society. Social change. That's what we are here to do today. In those places, Adi and Metea, we come around and take microscopic look at it. And in so doing, due to ombudsmanship as a factor, due to investigative reporting as a factor, due to the input, your input, due to the contributions of the Most High King of Kings and Lord of Lords, the great I am that I am, due to his protection, due to his approval for all of it to even happen in the first place. Social change is cost. So most times, a lot of people will want to help someone and then take a closer look at the person's situation. After doing that, they will want to withdraw back because there's a lot of factors that qualifies a person to be helped in so many people's book, Because basically people don't want to enable anybody, become lazy, and that is good because everybody's input is needed in transforming the economy of a region, and that's the beautiful thing about the Igbo person, the Igbo people. The Igbo people are appreciated by even other tribes because of what they do best, that is trading. It is said that the Igbo man is a force of development. Once an Igbo person occupies a space, the next thing he will bring his brothers and they will dominate in trading in that particular area. How is this done? If you ask me, it is done through the Igbo boy apprenticeship system. It is that system by which an Igbo man gets a teenager or of a boy or a man and then trains them in the areas of, like in the area of trading they are involved in the process. Some sort of servitude is demanded of the teenager, a boy or a man who is engaged. He is settled within a particular amount, with a particular amount of money over the period of 7 years or 8 years. Today, the pros and the cons, and basically that's what we are talking about today. But the picture is painted like this, no matter how things turn out, the pros and the cons of the outcome, remains positive, because it's like there is never a losing moment in the entire thing, according to perceptions, because you must have learned a skill in the process, whether you are settled or not. The question today, onye basia boy, a 20,000, yeah. In the current situation of the country, really, not just 20,000, whatever. What is that thing that could be given to someone, Onyeba boy, in this time, in this time, that will be enough for the person to set up in this time. That's exactly what I'm just going to discuss with you today. And this is how I welcome you to this wonderful edition of Street Reports on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifan Shuku AKZ as I number the force. I dedicate this one to you. It is coming from yours faithfully, Metal Moa, and I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Enjoy it, and I'll be back.